There's a possibility for a short. Um, I would have liked to have seen it taken some more of this liquidity before I'd feel confident in a short. The 1 hour tapped into a SIBI, a bearish fair value gap. 15-minute tapped into a SIBI as well. 15 minutes got a strong rejection block. Let's see if I got my hotkeys set up yet. What did I say? Command Shift 2, I think. There we go. Yep. So yeah, so far a strong rejection on the 15-minute. It's not confirmed, obviously, with 11 minutes to go. So can't count that quite yet. But look at the 1 hour getting a strong rejection from this order block, this fair value gap here. Bullish SMTs on both, or bearish and bullish SMTs on both sides. The 4 hour candle took this candle's low. And here's this fair value gap. I was kind of expecting price to possibly balance up into here before continuing down. Oftentimes on like the 4 hour time frame, you'll get these 10 a.m. candles that'll form a fair value gap. Price will come back down, bounce off of the upper quadrant of that fair value gap, come back down, and then test further deep into it. So overall, that's why the overall more bearish bias, even though it's a rather bullish market, bearish down to here. But yeah, I saw these equalize highs up here in the 15-minute. I was expecting at least some kind of engagement up in here with this fair value gap and these equal highs. So that's kind of where I'm seeing if it took this liquidity and formed my model up here, it would be an easy short. So I don't know. I'm gonna check back here. No closure below that fair value gap. That's the first presented fair value gap right there. Regular trading hours. So do we have any bearish? It's going to close below there in the next 40 seconds potentially. So we do have bearish SMT. YM has fallen. So question is, oh, if it's going to close below that gap, the question is, am I into it for a short? Possibly. Oh, it's rejecting. I'd prefer it just to reject. That way I don't have to make a split second decision like right there. What do we do? It's a nice liquidity grab to the top side. Overall fits my bias. Just didn't dig in quite as deep as I was hoping. I'll go with one mic, still keeping it super light, super small. Trend line liquidity down here. My only concern is it didn't take enough of this buy side up here. I entered in hopes I could get a minute to think. Today's a lower probability day, so more conservative targets. All right, so here's my stop. Pretty much I think I can. So I'm reevaluating my stop. Really, price shouldn't come up beyond there. So I'm going to go for these equals right here. And on my one-to-one trades, I'm not going to move my stop loss until price hits nearly my target. So I'm going to adjust this. We're pretty close to it. So I'll go break even. And I'm still staying conservative for a variety of reasons, conditions today, building my confidence too for this very first week. Obviously, I'm playing with super small amounts, so it's like no big deal either way. So just sitting on my hands. Until one or the other happens. Okay.